Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to verify address on Binance. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Binance account, Binance app. And once you're inside here, on the top left corner of the screen, you'll be seeing your profile icon, right? Simply tap on that. And once you tap on that, here you'll be sent to your profile or menu page. Now on the top you'll see your verification status. If you have already verified your account, then that's good. If you haven't verified your account, then simply tap on it. And once you tap on it, here you'll be sent to this page, personal verification. Now if you are already verified, then simply tap on verified plus. And once you tap on verified plus, here you'll be seeing requirements, and under it you'll be seeing your proof of address. Now all you gotta do is simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, all you gotta do is just enter in your address and just attach a government issue bill like electricity bill or anything. And once you have done with that, that's basically how to verify your address on Binance. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.